Hey guys, in this video we're going to try to get rid of an annoying notification from Evernote that just will not go away. So if you're like me, you like the little red notifications on your iPhone to actually mean something. In this case, I have an Evernote notification that has just been lingering for a long time. In this case, it used to say the number 2, now it says the number 1, because I just figured out how to get rid of one. And I'm going to show you how I did that by getting rid of the second one. So let's hop to it. First, I'm going to open up Evernote. And the interface here is not fantastic. You're going to tap this little alarm clock here up in the upper right hand corner that will display reminders. In my case, this says no reminders. The problem that I was facing is I have a business account. So I had to switch over to my business account by tapping accounts and then choosing which account I wanted to switch to, going back to notes, go up to all notes, and then tap that reminder icon again. Now, when I tap on the alarm bell for the note, there's another alarm up at the top. I have to tap on it, say clear reminder, and go back home and see if that, and that actually is the one that got rid of it. So that Evernote notification went away right there. This has been bothering me for months. I couldn't figure out where this was. And thankfully, it was as easy as a reminder that you can set on the note, but it's not super intuitive. Those little notifications can mean updates are available or tasks or lots of different things. So I'm happy that this is finally taken care of. And if you're having the same problem, hop into your reminders and hopefully that will take care of the problem. And that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, hitting that like button will make it easier for you to find in the future. It also helps this channel out quite a bit. If you leave a comment, I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. And hey, if this helped, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss more content that I roll out. Check out my channel. I'm doing a lot of different things and I link to a few other channels as well that different projects that I'm working on. Hope to get to know you in the future. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.